I'm either about to have a horn or an electrical fire.
I hope you all are having a warmer day than I am, because it is brutally cold out. It's quite a nuisance driving down the road with a horn going off nonstop.
On a classic Alfa, getting the wheel and the horn separated is not an easy task, but a pair of pliers and 2 flathead screwdrivers can get the job done. The way the horn works is actually pretty simple. This button is broken, so the spring does not keep it from contacting the metal ring. Once contacted, it sends a signal into your fuse box. So in order to fix this, I'd have to stop the signal from getting sent. I want to make sure I do a good job, so roughing up the surface and taping off areas that I don't want epoxy to get on. Then I'll be using a scale to measure out a 5:1 ratio of epoxy to hardener. This will ensure a proper mixture. I added a second clamp and a little bit of extra epoxy just in case. Plus, I found a second crack forming in the ring. I'm going to let that cure overnight, and in the morning I'll reassemble both the blinker and the steering wheel.
I'm either about to have a horn or an electrical fire.
Everything is on loosely. When I pinch it together real tight and hit the button,
I'm so happy.
a proper restoration of a beautiful 3-spoke wheel wouldn't be complete without a respray of paint. I've decided to go with a color that I've used on the intake, oil vapor separator, brake booster, shift stick, and shift knob. I think it looks absolutely stunning in the sun, and I can't wait to see the results once it's on the car. Drilling the casing and cutting the end of the rod with a saw left both hollow. Once epoxied, it formed a beautiful bond that could be painted and reassembled into the car. The horn and the steering wheel came next. With the final torque, we're done. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.